NVIDIA has just launched its most affordable generative AI supercomputer, claiming 1.7 times leap in generative AI inference performance, 70% increase in performance to 67 INT 8 TOPS, and a 50% increase in memory bandwidth to 102 gigabytes per second compared to its predecessor. Yesterday, NVIDIA CEO just announced their most affordable generative AI supercomputer, which is called NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano Super. Here's the clip.
Brand new AI computer. Look at this. I think I might have cooked it a little bit too long. It shrunk. The little tiny Jetson Nano. Little Orin computer. This thing that's really amazing is that a long time ago, starting with Xavier, you guys might have known, that we created a brand new type of processor. It was a robotics processor. Nobody understood what we were building at the time. And we imagined that someday these deep learning models would evolve and we would have, robots of all kinds. Everything that moves would be robotic. And now here we are. We're seeing all kinds of amazing robots. Robots on wheels, robots on legs, 2 legs, 3 legs. And of course, general humanoid robotics are nearly upon us. This is a brand new Jetson Nano Super. Almost 70 trillion operations per second. 25 watts and $249. It runs everything that the HGX does, even runs large language models, and can't wait for all of you to try it. It's available everywhere. Go get it. Enjoy robotics.
So now let's take a quick look how NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano Super gonna unlock new possibilities with generative AI. The most highlighted feature is it is powerful and affordable. It is priced at just $249. Take a look at its performance benchmarks tested on popular large language models, vision language models, and vision transformers. As you can see, they are claiming significant performance increases over its predecessor. From my point of view, NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano Super has ability to deliver exceptional AI compute, fast memory bandwidth, and comprehensive software stacks, offering superior energy efficiency for the latest generative AI applications. It can also support fast inference for any transformer-based generative AI models. So basically, it's going to provide more power in the generative AI applications, such as text generations, image generations, even in vision transformers. Another exciting application, the company claiming its ability to excel robotics industry, enabling key functions such as mobility, grasping, and vision. It can be useful in building robots for a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, retail, agriculture, logistics, delivery, and health. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI updates.